Oh, hello there. I didn't see you there. Hello there. This is Softsen, and this is my face reveal. As you can see, I mean, the lighting is not the best in the camera, but that's fine. We'll all start somewhere. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you on how to effectively use programming with AI tools. So basically, I'm going to be explaining you on basic ways on how to use AI on programming in a right way. So let's get right into this video. If you're new around here, please make sure to hit a like and subscribe, turn your notification bell so you don't miss a video. I upload weekly programming tutorials for you guys to enjoy, and sit back and relax and kick off the video. First of all, this is Visual Studio Code. This is a AI powered integrated tool that which is known stands for IDE, Integrated Development Environment Tool that used to write code. So, for example, this is my lines of code I've written. Some of the codes I've written are by myself, and some are from AI. Well, technically, I would of course make a few tweaks and changes for myself without the help of AI. But Visual Studio Code has an AI feature which helps me to debug problem solving issues. So then if I go to, let's say, for example, extensions and type in pilot, and it comes up as GitHub Copilot. So this is a AI peer programming that helps you to write code and faster and smarter. But also it helps me to, of course, resolve debugging errors. So this is an effective way of you writing, of course, HTML code, all other coding languages for front end and back end. This is, of course, Pilot as well. So there's that lots of AI variety of things. So this is GitHub Copilot Chat, also NumPy. So like many other packages that, of course, I recommend you to install. And in here, once you have installed that, you then click on, you go to your, go to your file right here, and it should show you an extension right there. So if I can right click, then go to, let's say if there's an error issue, I can click on quick fix or view problem. A debug error on how to solve that is click on either quick fix or fix. So then you would use control dot, and what you want to do is click on fix or explain. So if I can click fix, then it will help me to, of course, debug and help out through the errors through Copilot, by the way. So right now it's currently loading. So then if I click then accept, then it shows all the errors has been disappeared. But then again, there's that more errors I can of course fix. We'll get that through later. But Copilot is a very powerful feature where you can of course be able to build your code for you. But as a software developer, you should not be relying on AI too much, since you need to learn all the problem solving skills. That's of course essential. So your brain is your tool, not the computer itself. You need to understand how to problem solve and be able to know where the syntax is in this situation. So those are ways of how you use AI to assist you, but not to replace you, but assist you on where the errors and issues are. Well, since AI has ChatGPT and Gemini, I use ChatGPT for debugging issues for code, but this is also another powerful feature where it sh- it's more detailed and enables you to accurately find out the errors without having mistakes like ChatGPT. This is Claude AI. Claude AI is a open source material that is used for open discussions. According to my extensive research, Claude AI is actually not an open source. It is developed by Anthropic for anything that's related to problem solving or programming or any situation. So let's say, for example, if I go to chat or project, you can go to all materials that you want to search. You can create a new project, and in this case, if it was a portfolio project, you wanted to say portfolio project, and then it says here it shows a question saying what you're trying to achieve. Describe about my current success in React.js. Then if I click on create project, then I can go to Claude AI and then keep it organized. So there's like different instructions on how what to say. I'm just gonna say hello Claude. Okay, never mind. Yeah, Claude can make mistakes. Please double check responses. Yeah, I think it shows this message saying ChatGPT makes response, but individually, Claude does make mistakes as well. So just bear in that mind as well. Anyways, as I was saying, I wanted to, of course, create a demo project for a for 30 seconds, and hopefully wait for it to generate. There we go. Now there is lots of it just generates all the code for you as well. It will take you 30 seconds to generate all the codes for you in this section. Sometimes you'll of course may be able to of course understand. And there we go. So here is a quick demo project showcased in this here, since it's now run from the IT servers. So this is an example of what the demo project looks like. So there's that smooth outlook. It just shows view projects. Let's scroll down. There's that lots of amazing features. So animations, the each of the sections, the transition features. So many detail things that, of course, it generates of what Claude can do, unlike ChatGPT, where ChatGPT always does is just shows the a snippet of the code, but doesn't show the preview of what it looks like of the page. But it doesn't show what the preview of the Outlook page looks like. So if I click on the snippet, here's the snippet so far of the code. But then if I click on the eye catching view, the publish view, it shows all the features of what it does. So it's pretty cool, right? Right, I'm going to end of this video today. This was me discussing all the AI tools and tips and tricks on how to use them effectively in your programming journey. Nowadays, we use AI such as ChatGPT, Claude, as well as Copilot, but we use them effectively in our coding projects, and it's becoming very too competitive. So those are the things AI tools I would recommend to use, and hopefully you should know how to use them. Anyways, please make sure to hit a like, subscribe, turn on notification bell so you don't miss a video. This has been Softsen. I'm out. Peace.